We are going to be looking at letters that have a slant in them. A slant is a line that moves down this way or moves down this way. This type of line we're going to say slants down, and this type of line we're going to say slants back because it's going backwards. And we always start at the top. One of the first letters that we're going to look at that has both of these slanting lines is the letter V. Now the letter V is going to have a line that slants down and a line that slants back, and they're going to meet here at the bottom. So we're going to slant down, and we're going to slant back, just like that. Slant down, slant back. You might have noticed that I was about to write my V with a slant down, and then I slant up. You could also do that if you'd like, if it works out better for you. Slant down, slant up. Okay? The next letter we're going to be looking at is the letter W. This is going to be very similar to the letter V, but you're going to do that movement twice. I'll show you both of those ways where you lift up your pencil and slant back, or where you slant up. So slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant back, slant down, slant back. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Just like that. The next letter we're going to be looking at is the letter X. A lot of you might be familiar with that, where you slant down, and then you're going to cross in the middle and slant back. This is a letter that I would use slanting back instead of slanting up. Slant down, slant back. Slant down, slant back. Slant down, slant back. Another letter that uses slanting lines is the letter Y. Now the letter Y is going to slant down below itself, slant back below itself. So I'm going to slant down, and my next slanting line is going to go below this other line. So slant back all the way down there. Slant down, slant back. And you notice how I'm starting at the same height. Slant down, slant back. Slant down, slant back. And the last letter we're going to look at actually uses one slanted line and two lines that are not slanting. We go across for these letters, for this letter. So the letter is Z. I ran out of room down here, so I'm going to move up here. The letter Z starts off going across the top, and we're going to slant back, and then back across the bottom. Slant across the top, slant back, slant across, flat across the bottom. Across the top, slant back, across the bottom. Across the top, slant back, across the bottom.